Why this works. Chimichurri is a classic sauce that thrives on the balance between fresh herbs, acidity from vinegar, and richness from olive oil. The fresh parsley and cilantro provide a bright, herbaceous flavor that complements grilled meats exceptionally well. The emulsion created by whisking 120 milliliters of olive oil with 60 milliliters of vinegar binds these flavors together, ensuring a cohesive sauce. If the chimichurri seems too thin, you can add more herbs to thicken it up. If it becomes too thick, a splash of water or more olive oil can adjust the consistency. Allowing the chimichurri to rest for at least 10 minutes is crucial. It not only enhances the flavor, but also allows the garlic to mellow, avoiding an overpowering raw taste. This technique is often overlooked, but it's essential to achieving the best flavor profile. The resting period allows the ingredients to interact, deepening the overall taste. By adhering to these precise measurements and time, you ensure a balanced and flavorful chimichurri that elevates any dish.